Hi, I'm Danny Stone, the driver of your destiny dude, success coach, and transformational speaker. I just want to talk to you guys a little bit today about full body cleanse and detoxing your body. Now, I don't know much about this at all. I just decided that, because of the holidays coming up and, I've been reading a lot about detoxing your body, and I decided that, I'm going to do it. So that's what I'm going to do. And I've never done this before, and this is going to be my first time doing this. So I just thought I would share it with you. I thought I would let you know how it goes, and then you can decide if you want to do something like this. So for me, the reason I really want to do this is just to clean out my body, I eat a lot of, I have been eating a lot of foods that haven't been that good for me. And I'd say over the last maybe 2.5 to 3 months, I changed up my diet to eat more clean and reduce the amount of, heavy fried foods and meats and so on that I'm eating. Now, I'm not saying I don't eat any of that anymore, because I'm not a hypocrite. I definitely do. But I reduced it significantly, and I'm following a mostly plant-based and fish diet with some chicken here and there and very little red meat. But I don't know, I just really wanted to change up the way that I eat, and I wanted to start feeling better. And I have been, since I've changed up my eating habits, I've been feeling great. I've had lots of energy. I just feel lighter. And so I thought, to take it even one step further, let me try this full body cleanse. So the full body cleanse I have is called Flor Essence. You can see there, by a company by the name of Flora. And this is a herbal cleanse. And it says 8 original herbs made from 97% organic ingredients. And so, I've never done this before. I talked to the guy at the health food store, and he said this is a really good cleanse. It's all natural ingredients. Instead of taking a bunch of pills, it's actually a liquid form. And he said it cleans out a lot of your body. So your kidneys, your liver, helps to clean out your blood, your urinary tract. So I thought I would try it. So it says here, traditionally used in herbal medicine as a diuretic, diaphoretic, an alternative to remove accumulated waste products via kidneys, skin, and mucous membrane. So hopefully this is going to clean out my system. This is an 8-day cleanse, so it's going to take me 8 days of taking this. The directions are, you have to shake before you use it, take 3 tablespoons 2 to 3 times a day, and dilute with an equal amount of water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of this and 3 tablespoons of hot water. You mix it together, and then you sip it kind of like a tea, and you do that 2 to 3 times a day. So I think I'm going to do it maybe twice a day, once in the morning and once at the end of the night. That's what the guy at the health food store told me. So I'm going to take this, and it's supposed to detoxify your body. And so that's what I'm looking forward to. And it says after you open it the first time, make sure that you put it in the fridge within a day or two of opening it. So I'm going to check this out and see how it goes, and I'll let you know. The smell smells, it's a very distinct smell. It smells very herby, and of course, because it's made of herbs. And we'll see how it tastes. So I got my tablespoon here. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons in. So I got my 3 tablespoons in here. I have my hot water. I'm going to pour 3 tablespoons of hot water in here. Now I'm going to mix it all around. And I'm going to have my first sip and I'll let you know how it goes. We'll see how it tastes. It's hard to describe the taste. It's it's a very kind of earthy taste. Doesn't smell the best, but what do you expect? Has this very kind of distinct earthy taste. When I read the reviews, it had really great reviews. I think it had about maybe 890 reviews, 4.5 stars out of 5. Some of the people's complaints were that it smells and tastes awful, and I was thinking, okay, I didn't expect it to smell and taste that great, but it just smells earthy to me, and the taste isn't that bad. I mean, you just have to sip it, right? So I'm going to try this, and I'll let you know how it goes. Tomorrow, I'll try to let you know how I feel. And yeah, if you're thinking about taking a full body cleanse, let me know how it goes. This is going to be my first time. If you have any tips for me, let me know. I'm going to be eating all raw foods for the next 8 days. So lots of fruits and vegetables and no cooked food, and drinking lots of water. And I'll still be going to the gym regularly and, and working and all that kind of stuff. So I'll let you know how it goes. So, if you're thinking about, getting in shape, and if you're thinking about really trying to feel good and lighten yourself up, then maybe you might want to start with a cleanse as well. But I'll let you know how this goes. That's it for now. See you in the next video.